Hi guys, it's Jeff Reed again with Chattanooga Bass Fishing Guides. I want to take you out here today and I'm going to show you how to mark and look at a roadbed in a old creek channel. And I'm going to show you how to mark that. We did our settings on an earlier video, and if you did not catch that video, go back on YouTube and find that video, and it'll show you the settings we're going to put the unit on, the way we're going to see it here. And what I'm going to do is crank the motor up and go over this roadbed, so bear with a little bit of motor noise, and then once I go over the roadbed, I'm going to explain it to you on how to mark it and how to put an icon, how to change an icon. So bear with the motor noise for just a second, and we're going to go ahead and side image this roadbed that we've got right here. As you can see, I've got the boat in line right here, and as I turn across, I know I've already got this marked, these waypoints where this roadbed lays. Do here is I'm going to get lined up to go straight across the roadbed, so I'll see it on both sides of my side image, and that way I'll get a more detail of that roadbed. Alright, now from right here, I see I'm coming up on my roadbed, and I'm out here in the creek channel, and I've got the GPS set up on this screen right here. Now I can go, once I get close enough to it, what I'll do is I'll go to my top preset, and that will give me down image, side image, and my sonar. What I'm going to do here, we're coming up on that roadbed. As you can see, the down image, when you come up on a hard bottom, it's going to show that roadbed, the hard bottom, in a real bright color. We've gone across that roadbed right now, and I'm going to kick it out of gear and kind of explain what we've done. Now, I've got this image right here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit my four-way toggle. That's going to freeze the frame. Now, with this image, I can do anything I want to once I freeze that frame. I can go over here on this drop-off where the end of the bridge is, and I can zoom in on it. Now, that shadow cast is showing where the end of the bridge was. This is the pillar, one of the cross members that the bridge stood on before it was taken down when they flooded the lake. This is a fish magnet, guys. This is one of those places that you just, at some point in time, you're just going to catch a pile of fish on. But the ideal thing about this side image, and I can make one pass over that bridge piling, and I've got the creek channel that runs between the bridge here, and you've got the roadbed up this direction. I can hit mark anywhere I have my cursor, and these marks are going to go onto my GPS. It's going to be on my mapping and show exactly where that point in time is. Now, another thing I can do with this, if I want to change the icon from this screen, when I hit mark and create a waypoint 540, I can hit menu one time, and I'm going to go down to waypoint 540. I'm going to toggle over. I can either edit, delete, target, or grid. I'm going to choose to edit. I'm going to go to that icon, and I'm going to change that icon to the plus sign. It's a red plus sign. It sticks out real good, and it allows me to stay on that spot and be able to fish it well and be able to know where I'm throwing. Now I'm going to go back over to the left, go down, and I'm going to hit save. What that's done, when I go to my mapping, which I'm going to hit center button, exit, and then that's going to go to my waypoint is right over here. I can lock in on that waypoint, the 540. And when I lock in on that waypoint, that gives me options to do the same thing. I can go to 540, and what I'm going to show you here is something that's priceless when you're trying to set on a deep water spot out in the lake, the wind's blowing, and you just can't figure out where you are and trying to stay on that spot. You can put a target on that one waypoint, and it'll give you exactly how far you are from that waypoint at all times. Even though your map's going to be changing where you are fishing that spot, it's going to show you in real time how far away, right or left, you are from that spot that you want to fish. And that's my tip for today. And guys, I'm going to have more videos coming up. I'm going to have a bunch of things that I'm going to take, guys, I want you to hit my webpage. Go to www.chattanoogabass.com, hit my contact, and let me get some questions from you guys of things that you have and that you want to have explained to you on these videos that I'm going to be doing. I do a lot of seminars, I do Bass Pro Shop shows, and I'm going to be, if you'll hit my contacts, I'll keep you informed where I'm going to be, and if I'm going to be doing a show in the next 2 weeks at Bass Pro in Atlanta. Just get in touch with me and we can stay in touch. And if you want to get up and catch some big smallmouths, the trout fishing trips are coming up, and the largemouth fishing on Chickamauga is great right now. Just stay in touch with me. Had a boat go by. It's been great teaching these things out here. Hit my contacts, get in touch with me, let me know your questions, and I'll see if I can't get them answered. Thanks a lot, guys.